We've all heard the saying that content is king, but the truth is, content marketing does not succeed without context. Context marketing is the art and science of delivering the right content or experience to the right person, in the right place, and at the right time. While we understand the importance of big data in developing marketing strategies, traditional macro approaches to audience insight and customer journey is no longer enough. The access to the computers in our pockets have trained consumers to expect brands to immediately deliver exactly what they're looking for, when they're looking for it, and in the context of the situation. For example, 70% of leisure travelers search for travel ideas on mobile during spare moments, like when they're standing in line or waiting for the subway. Nearly half of those travelers go on to book their choices through an entirely separate channel. Successful brands are those that have a strategy for understanding and meeting consumers' needs. They build around context at a micro level that's based on the sum total of a consumer's past brand interactions, current needs, behavioral patterns, and situational conditions. It's a granular approach, and it will only be further enabled through data from mobile sensors and AI. For more information, visit melanietouchstone.com.